Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, July 14th, 2022. Of course, I am your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, it is a little bit drier out there, especially over the northern interior, where we have a little bit lower levels of humidity. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s in your suburbs, and mid to upper 70s in your urban areas. Certainly more humid along the coast where we have dew points in the 70s. Winds are light and variable, and we have a stationary front hanging around the region that's leading to some areas of low clouds, even some fog with visibility below 2 miles in some locations. That was more widespread earlier this morning. Now we pretty much just have a lot of mix of sun and clouds throughout the region, with the threat for a few isolated showers and thunderstorms that we're going to be keeping an eye on. Now, here's our surface map, and you can see a few isolated showers and thunderstorms lifting out of Connecticut and moving into Rhode Island. And the bulk of your showers and thunderstorms are over the coastal waters, far coastal waters. But this stationary front and these waves of low pressure will instigate the potential for an isolated shower or thunderstorm from northeastern Connecticut through Long Island and along the Jersey Shore. It could also include the New York City metro and down through the Delmarva Peninsula. The further west you are, the drier you will be. And quite frankly, when I say isolated, I mean isolated. There really won't be a lot of rainfall with these showers and thunderstorms. But if you do get hit with one, it can produce a heavy downpour. So just be prepared for that. On our latest visible satellite picture, you can see a mix of sun and clouds throughout the region with all these frontal boundaries hanging around the area. And on the infrared satellite picture, you can see our pattern pretty much setting up with our trough off to the west and our ridge off to the east, and we are caught in between. And that's what's going to keep us unsettled today all the way on through this weekend. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Look for scattered to broken cloud cover with the threat for a few isolated showers and thunderstorms, especially along the coast. Look for high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s over the interior and mid to upper 80s along the coast. For tonight into tomorrow morning, look for a few areas of fog. Other than that, scattered cloud cover with lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior and mid to upper 60s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover. Again, can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Look for high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s over the interior, lower to mid 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, rinse and repeat. Stationary front hangs around the region. Watch out for some fog in the morning, isolated showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Other than that, scattered cloud cover with low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s over the interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast, and high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 80s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 80s over the interior, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Sunday, look for a stationary boundary, once again, producing the threat for a few isolated showers and thunderstorms. Other than that, scattered cloud cover is expected, with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s over the interior and upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 80s over the interior, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Monday, a frontal boundary with a wave of low pressure will move through the region with the threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms. This looks like it's going to have a little bit more coverage than the previous days. I'm a little bit skeptical on the amount of rainfall being shown here, but let's just say we have a few lines of showers and thunderstorms, hit and miss once again, but these thunderstorms will be more coverage than what we're currently expecting over the next couple of days. Look for low temperatures to range from the upper 60s to lower 70s. High temperatures range from the upper 70s to lower 80s over the northern interior and lower to mid 80s along the coast. On Tuesday, this is where our hot weather pattern really starts to take hold. We'll have scattered cloud cover, can't rule out a few isolated thunderstorms. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast for lows. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s along the immediate coast, especially Long Island, mid to upper 80s over the interior, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Wednesday, look for scattered cloud cover. Can't rely on isolated thunderstorm, with low temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 80s along the coast, upper 80s to lower 90s over the interior, and lower to mid 90s in the Delaware River Valley. And on Thursday, we have a cold front that approaches but basically stalls out. Look for isolated showers and thunderstorms. Some of these thunderstorms could be severe, and the reason why is because of all the moisture in the atmosphere. We're looking at low temperatures in the mid 70s over the interior, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 80s along the coast, upper 80s to lower 90s over the interior, and lower to mid 90s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.